Hello everyone, welcome to our English practice video at this vegan restaurant.
Hi friends, we are happy you are here to learn English with us today.
Today you will learn simple English for food, restaurants, and polite problems.
The level is easy A1 English, with some B1 sentences near the end.
Please subscribe to our channel and join us for more speaking practice.
Write a comment and tell us where you are watching from today.
Hi Jessica, are you ready to eat at this new vegan place?
Hi Ryan, yes, I am very hungry and also a little excited.
You go first, Jessica. The place looks nice from the door already.
Thank you, Ryan. I can see plants and big windows inside too.
Come with us and listen to our easy restaurant conversation carefully.
Try to repeat some sentences after us. It will help your speaking.
First, we will sit down and look at the menu together.
Yes, then something goes wrong with my food, and we fix it politely.
Okay, let us go to our table now and start the story.
Stay with us. Listen for useful food words and polite phrases today.
This menu looks good. I see salads, soups, bowls, and vegan burgers.
I like bowls. I think I will choose a tofu and vegetable bowl today.
I want the vegan burger with fries. It sounds simple, but really tasty.
Nice choice. I will ask for brown rice in my bowl, not white rice.
Hello, I would like the vegan burger with fries and a small water, please.
Hi, I would like the tofu vegetable bowl with brown rice and no spicy sauce, please.
When you order, it is good to say please and thank you clearly.
Yes, polite words are very important, especially when there is a mistake later.
Okay, now we wait for the food. This is normal restaurant time.
While we wait, you can think about your favorite restaurant dish in English.
My burger looks perfect. The fries are hot and the plate is clean.
This looks strange. I see pieces of meat on my plate, not tofu.
Wait, that looks like meat. This restaurant is vegan. Something is wrong here, right?
Yes, I ordered tofu, but this looks like chicken. I cannot eat this.
This is a good moment to practice polite English for problems in restaurants.
Yes, even when there is a mistake, we stay calm and respectful, not angry.
Excuse me, I am sorry, but there is a small problem with this order.
I ordered the tofu vegetable bowl, but this looks like meat. Could you please check it?
You can also say, "This is not what I ordered," in a gentle voice.
And you can add, "Could you change it, please?" to sound very polite and clear.
Great, now your bowl looks correct. I can see tofu and many vegetables.
Yes, the server was very kind and changed it quickly. I feel much better now.
So remember, stay calm, describe the problem clearly, and always use please and thank you.
Yes, polite communication usually solves restaurant mistakes quickly, and everyone can still enjoy the meal peacefully.
Now we want you to practice. Repeat the polite sentences after us at home.
You can also write your own example in the comments using today's phrases.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today. See you in the next video, Jessica.
Thank you, everyone, and goodbye, Ryan. Have a nice evening and enjoy your vegan burger. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Example: a small water, please. Please adds politeness. Example: Could you please check it? Polite modal question, very soft. Example, could you change it, please? Please at the end is gentle. Example, excuse me, I am sorry. Apology opens a polite complaint. Example, this is not what I ordered. Clear, direct, still respectful. Example, something is wrong here. A soft check invites help. Example, wait, that looks like meat. Looks like is careful language. Example, I cannot eat this. Cannot is firm, not rude. Negatives with not show contrast. Example, not white rice. Example, eats not tofu. Future with will for plans. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Example, it will help your speaking. Example, I think I will choose. I think softens a plan. Requests versus statements. Example, I will ask for brown rice. This is a plan, not a request. Use, could you change it, please? Imperatives give friendly advice. Example, stay with us. Example, try to repeat some sentences. Imperatives can be polite. Use but to show contrast. Example, simple but really tasty, but links two different ideas. Past simple reports finished actions. Example, was very kind. Example, changed it quickly. Adverbs show manner, quickly. Confirmation language. Example, looks correct. I will show when to use them in real life. Focus on sentence structure. Use in restaurants to solve issues. Practice at home with these lines. Example, this menu looks good. Subject plus verb plus complement. Example, I like bowls. Subject plus verb plus object. Example, my burger looks perfect. Adjective after a linking verb. Example, this restaurant is vegan. Noun plus be plus adjective pattern. Example, I want the vegan burger. Want plus noun phrase shows desire. Example, I would like the vegan burger, softer than I want, in tone.